I want to turn on the volume. Welcome
Hmm.
back, everybody. I'm over here working on my farm again. Mr. Lonely Fox is
In the mainland.
on the mainland. This is a mainland too. It's just not near Glimmercrest. No, that's not what I wanted to do. The problem of having an overpowered shovel. You're just trying to dig single holes.
I guess since you branched out, it's time for me to go and branch out.
Nothing wrong with that.
I didn't even finish my house yet.
You can do that. I still have another exhibit to build. So I think there's always going to be going back and forth to Glimmercrest.
Just need to take all my essentials. Oh, did I tell you I lost my netherite sword?
Yes, you did. That was depressing. There is no rhyme or reason to how I create farmland. Okay, maybe there is. What'd you say?
Talking to myself.
Talking to yourself? Well, we do have an audience, so you could talk to them.
I don't like. I'm potion of water breathing.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I have a lot of those. There's feathers. Some wolf armor, but I don't have a wolf.
I thought maybe that would bring Jacob back in with interest since he loves wolves.
Yeah.
Yep, already out. Wow.
You know, are you doing wheat?
Yes.
You know we have a whole box of it, right?
Yeah, but it's so far away. I guess I can fly over there. Oh, wait. Actually, I'll fly to world spawn this way. So I got a ways to go, because it's on the opposite side of world spawn. About the same distance that Glimmercrest is from world spawn. In the opposite direction. There's world spawn. is a gold quest.
You know, if you hey, some fishermen will trade tridents, and I've been wanting to get a trident, but
We don't have very many fishermen.
the ones up in the irons, the whatchamajingles.
For the iron farm. Is that the only ones we have?
Hey, what are you doing?
That's what I do.
It's gonna be my secret chest room. Alrighty then.
You making your own little warehouse?
Yeah, for stuff that I'm gonna take to my land.
You come take a look at what I'm doing.
I want to get a trident. I'm gonna have a sword. Oh, do you want to see the new Atlantis?
Ooh, Atlantis.
It'd be the better location for Atlantis.
Oh yeah, that's right. You were changing that.
Can see it. Ready? Follow me.
If I fly to the moon.
What'd you do to this village over here?
I was outlining. This is Dust Reach. I was outlining the road. I'm gonna do some terraforming and stuff.
Hmm. There's an ocean over here somewhere.
Yeah. It's the North Ocean. We've been there before. That's actually in the direction of where that first trail run that we were excavating.
Some things look. Oh, here it is. Yeah. There. And here's the sea temple over here.
See that?
Just keep respawning, so we're gonna
Uh,
actually have to take.
I thought
take.
you said that you'd cleared it out.
Yeah, I did a little bit. I didn't get rid of all the water.
No, I didn't even see that this was a. I thought this was just an ocean ruin.
Nope. They don't give us mining disease because that's there, but they still hurt us, I guess.
Where'd you go?
Back to the mainland.
You're gonna leave me here?
Yeah.
How dare you?
Some mountain goats. I guess I gotta go find where my new home will be. Yeah, I went all the way up to 30,000 the Z.
It's a long race.
But then I died.
I feel like Glimmercrest is going to be like a central hub where we just get stuff that we need and things like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, that's why I wanted to try it, because you can get heads with it. You can get creeper head, you can get a zombie head. I'm trying to increase my collection. You're always behind me. Oh, and I'm pretty sure we can collect each other's heads too.
Nice.
So I have a spot. Here's the Ender Dragon head. Hey. Ender Dragon head, Wither head, then it'll be creeper, zombie.
You
I think,
resurrected the dragon?
no.
You took it from a museum?
No. I went and got it in the end. From a boat. And then you can get a piglin.
Oh, okay. That's right. That's right. For some reason, I was thinking an egg. I don't know why.
Then piglin head, creeper head, zombie head, and I think you can get a skeleton head.
Yeah.
And then your head, my head, and Jacob's head.
Okay.
And each time we have a new player come on, we'll have to get their head.
Nice.
But I need to
Well,
try to.
I was out to the east and I saw someone else's base.
Huh?
Someone else who has not been on an episode yet.
Uh, so I lost my trident, and then it started thunderstorming,
Oh, wonderful.
and that's when you're supposed to do that.
Yep. That's usually how it goes. We've done a lot of work here.
Yeah.
I bet we could get everybody else on. That'd be nice.
What
Where'd you go?
should I build my next house? You know what? I think I'm gonna make a playful town, stuff that like it's not really looks like buildings, but like happy places.
Oh yeah, I didn't finish the interiors of the classroom building. Don't really have interiors on these houses either. So yeah, there's things to do that we can do off and on when we're wanting to switch things up.
How do you find your picture of your skin? How would I find a picture of my skin?
It's on a website, isn't it?
Yeah, but I changed it up a little bit. Oh no, my pants have cursed binding, and so I can't take them off.
Well, that's nice.
Can't take off my pants. No. If I die enough, they'll start.
That's what I was thinking. Maybe it'll
Kill me again. Nope. It's not going anywhere.
Ow. It's not damaging them.
Barely. Yeah. We'll get there soon enough.
should get up in that room so you don't have to constantly come down here. Hey.
Oh, that's what you said. I wasn't paying attention.
One hit. You got something shielding you.
Huh?
Did you notice that?
What?
It's not letting me damage you as much.
It says +2 armor toughness. Oh, that means it lasts longer. Almost there. Hey, do you know where the Badlands is?
Yeah.
Could you take me there? Or no, I'll use concrete.
Wow, it's getting harder and harder to set you on fire.
We're almost there.
You see that?
I guess I got more than 9 lives. Hey, I'm done.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Alright. First I gotta pick a spot.
Open the chat.
Huh?
Hit T.
T?
Yeah, hit T.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, the question is, once I build my barn over there, do I bring my livestock over to Lone Cove Farms, or do I take... Because I was originally planning to take them to my castle, but that's a ways in the future. All right, we're going to stop the episode there. I just noticed the time, so we can pause
Okay.
that.